Okay, there it is. This is an SAT math homework question, and it says, in a certain class, one half of the male students, so one half of the male students and two-thirds of the female students speak French. And it says there are three-fourths as many girls as boys. Okay, three-fourths is less than one, so there's less girls than boys. If this is more than one, if we had twice as many girls as boys, it would be 2-to-1 ratio. But here we have 3-to-4 ratio. That means that there's 3 girls for every 4 boys. So out of every 7 students, we know that 3 out of 7 are girls. And we also know that 4 out of 7 are boys. And we have half here, and we have 2/3 here, and we have 3/7 and 4/7 here. So what we need is we need a common denominator between 2, 3, and 7. So if you multiply 2 times 3 times 7, that gives you 42. So we could use 42 as a number of students total. And it doesn't matter what number you use. You could use a multiple of 42, but just going to work easier if we have 42 students. So we have 42 students. We need to figure out how many of those are boys and how many are girls. Well, 3/7 of those 42 are girls, so that would be 18 girls. And 4/7 of those 42 students are going to be boys, and that would be 24 boys. And we also know that in this problem, half of the boys speak French, so 1/2 of 24. We have 12 that speak French. And we also know that 2/3 of the girls speak French. So if we take 2/3 of 18, that would also be 12. So we have 12 girls and 12 boys speaking French. So that's 24 students that can speak French out of the total what? Total 42. So if you take 24 out of 42, if we reduce that, 24 out of 42, if we reduce that by 6, this would be 4, and this would be 7. That's 4 out of 7. So the answer here should be 4 out of 7. Answer is A. So that would be our problem for today.